Do you want to take your PowerPoint to the next level and create a format that lets you shine as the protagonist of your digital presentations? Are you using PowerPoint properly to achieve your educational goals? Find out right now in this B40 Live. Hello, I'm Marta Inés Orozco from Video 40. In this new transmission, you will learn 5 tips to achieve the right format in PowerPoint to improve the quality of your video lessons. Keep in mind that PowerPoint should not replace you. You should rely on them to reinforce your message with key information and for your audience to retain the content. This is key because you should be the protagonist. If you give all the attention to the content, your audience will lose interest in you as a teacher or a speaker of the educational material. Let's start with tip number 1, slide size. We recommend 69 or one of your preference. The 69 size is standard size, horizontal, and very popular in the digital world, and that will help you to distribute the information on the screen very well. Number 2, backgrounds. Choose a neutral background so as not to overload the presentation and to get the message out easily and clearly. Be consistent in the choice of color and design. I advise you to use the colors that identify you as a brand in case you have a logo or image that represents you. Use dark text on light background or vice versa. Don't forget that less is more. Tip number 3, colors. Use the same colors and font on all your slides and select graphic images adapted to the style of the presentation. PowerPoint pre-designed templates make it easy to choose the design that best suits your needs. Number 4, transitions. Limit the number of transitions used. It is better to use a single transition style to move from one slide to another, avoiding your audience to be distracted while reading. And finally, tip number 5, text. Do not use all capitalized text. It's like showing a message, except for the title, it is justified. To check if the type and font size is appropriate, stand 2 meters away from the monitor and try to read the slides. If the slides are easy to read, you have chosen the right type and font size. Use a single font style for vignettes or text boxes. On each page, place repeating elements such as page number and logo. Now that you know those tips, you can design with precision and maintain consistency and balance in your PowerPoint slides to achieve your educational goals and to be the star of your video presentation. For more tips, download our free ebook, How to Make Better Online Programs. Register in the link in the description of this video and improve your educational content for e-learning. I'm Marta Inés Orozco. See you in our next B40 Live, where I will give you important information about copyright for the use of graphics, visual, and sound elements in your PowerPoint presentations. If you learned with this video, give us a like and share it so that others like you can improve their video classes and online presentations. Thank you for your time.